Team deathmatch. Special forces won't know what it took.
The pussy.
Duh, pussy. Oh man.
We've taken control.
How has nobody cleaned up this kill yet? Did I not get the points? Oh, now they both come around the corner. Awesome.
Shot from behind for King.
Oh my god. Who's behind me that just shot at this guy already?
Recon removed.
Me.
Worst play ever.
I shouldn't have shot him?
Not yet. Could have shot him in the back from like point blank range.
3 subs good to go.
Might be. Oh god.
Resupply denied.
Now I'm demoralized.
Supplies. First come, first served.
Enemy sensor dart is dark.
Oh, I got a mesh mine kill even though I placed it super terrible.
That's the second time you've got one of those tonight.
I know, this one was even worse than the other time.
Enemy UAV above.
How? Unbelievable.
Expired.
Of course you'll heal up. Yep. I'll be hitting the fuck out of them and they won't die. Oh my god, he's down to like 2.
Kill.
Hostile RCXD spotted.
Core broken.
This is interesting.
Threat neutralized.
Why do there have to be 4 people in the same room every time?
Launch a UAV.
UAV perimeter established. Angels 10. UAV mission time.
Why do I have to shoot first and then die?
UAV has been destroyed.
Oh my god, I lost to a pistol. Should just sue.
Dropped. Nowhere to hide.
Oh, another one's
UAV available for us.
Sick dead body just hanging out in the window.
Capture your objective.
Get a care package inbound on my grid.
Levels 50%.
Shot out.
Hellstorm awaiting deployment.
Hellstorm launch. Authorization moved.
Hellstorm trip.
Nice.
trigger.
RCXD rolling.
I'm corner camping so hard. I'm so close to a mantis.
Threat neutralized.
Got it.
Mantis awaiting orders.
Got that. Got it.
First come, first served. They're gone. Supplies destroyed.
I know.
Ruin shit.
That sucks. My Mantis is just sitting there not doing anything. That's cool.
It's just sitting there.
Second time tonight.
Ruin requesting UAV tasking.
UAV above, commencing surveillance operations.
Cunt! I didn't kill either of you?
UAV
That makes zero sense.
check. Mantis battery check.
Why is it not moving?
Are there settings for the Mantis, like the dog?
I mean, I guess I could control it and try to get it to move, but I just don't really care at this
Maybe
point.
it can't. Maybe it can't move off that block.
Operation complete.
I know.
Nice work.
Oh, we crushed and I was shit. It's about time. You haven't had a best play for a while.
No, I
man.
healed. This is when I bitched about 4 people being the same.
Too much sense.